going on YouTube. So, taking a look at this Southard jackknife, jpxs-6 or something like that. So, it's a pretty good jackknife set. But a lot of people, or let me show you how to take it apart first. You slide your thumb right here, pop your tension wrench out, unscrew this, select your pick, profile, put the rest back in, and then tighten this again. So I have a couple complaints and a couple glowing review items. So first complaint is that this, once with a little wear, these are going to be hard to fan out and like really difficult. Like you're gonna have to pull them apart, clean them frequently. Pocket lint gets caught up in here if you carry this in pocket, and just dirt and grime generally if you're working on like these older like locks. They just naturally work down, and they are replaceable, but you gotta drive this pin out. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. Another small complaint is that this tension wrench only has one profile on it. Like, I'm not sure if you can, like, you can probably utilize this as one side and then maybe put a different profile here, but I'm not sure if that would work in there. That has led to issues where you can't really pick like locks with damaged keyways like that, where the keyway bottom is soft from wear. But they do fine on like these standard little Chinese practice locks. Another complaint that a lot of people have is that they prefer a standard pick. Let me grab that real quick. The standard pick, because the feedback, because they say that like when you pick, you hold it like this or like this, and you get the same feedback. You get the feedback from the tension wrench and wherever the pins are done from right here. I haven't, I hold this the same way as I would hold one of these picks. I personally haven't noticed a real difference here, other than this being, significantly thicker than, the plastic on here. I haven't noticed a real big difference there. I probably wouldn't even notice that as a complaint, but the tension wrench is a serious complaint, because when you get these, this is a cheap Chinese set. This is about a $50, with the pickings book, easy pickings book. This is like a $50 kit with shipping. So this here is like a $15 kit, and it came with an assortment of these, flat tension wrenches, and these. I know these are cheap looking, but that's an awesome tension wrench. Much better than this one. So if you're serious about using this for, I forgot my key, home entry type stuff, this probably won't cut it. Like, it's not a great wrench. It's a wiper insert style, but it's not particularly, it's probably the worst wrench I have, and these are just from some cheap Chinese set that was like $15, $20 maybe, I don't know. It came with a lock, so I got about 35 different pick profiles with this set. It came with like wafer picks and everything. So, I know the stainless steel on here is much better than this, because, this is already, I used this about 50 times, and it's showing signs of wear, and these look nicer, but, the one main complaint is the tension wrench on these is garbage. What I would suggest is that, you get some top of the keyway tension wrenches from Sparrows, maybe. They're just like $6, I believe, to carry in conjunction with this. So you'll have a much better set that way. I know like a lot of people worry about losing this wrench. Don't. The main part is the picks, and then you'll carry on better tension wrenches. Other than that, no further complaints. It's a great lock pit, folding lock pick set. I'd suggest picking one up.